Now this is former Louisville and Nashville railroad swing bridge, now used by the CSX railroad, crossing the Rigolets Pass, located in Rigolets, Louisiana. And then I'm gonna show you the swing span. You see, it's a single track, and then you see the bridge. It's swung open for boats and ships, and it swings back for train traffic. And then you got two approach trusses, and in the middle is a draw, which is a swing bridge. You see all the detail of it. Yep, and this crosses it was built in 1925, and it crosses the Rigolets Pass at Rigolets, New Orleans, and I believe it's still in use today.